When the night falls, the party starts. Yeah, that's cute, but the Forest River Nightfall doesn't wait for dark. It runs on your schedule. Morning, fire it up. Midnight, still going. This is a toy hauler built for people who don't ask permission to have a good time. So whether you're looking at a travel trailer or stepping up into a fifth wheel or going full send with the Nightfall HD series, you're getting a machine designed to haul your toys and still feel like a legit living space, not a rolling garage with a mattress tossed in. We're going to be diving inside. We'll check out the outside, how it's built, and we'll talk about what kind of truck you'll need to keep this beast moving down the road. So let's get into it. Walking in, the Nightfall just immediately feels different. It's not flashy for the sake of it, right? But it's confident. You step in via the step above entry, and right away you're staring at a kitchen that looks like it actually expects you to use it and not just reheat leftovers and call it cooking. You've got a high-rise faucet with a pull-out sprayer, a stainless sink, and a 3-burner cooktop ready to handle whatever you throw at it. There's also a convection microwave, which means you can actually fake being a decent cook even when you're not. Cold storage? Yeah, 10 cubic foot, 12-volt fridge keeps everything locked in and chilled. Now, if you step into the HD series, things escalate pretty quickly. Suddenly you've got a 24-inch oven with a cast iron cooktop, a massive 16 cubic foot fridge, and a tile backsplash that actually looks like it belongs in a house and not an RV. Add in soft closed drawers and hidden hinge cabinetry, and now you're operating in a different league entirely. Slide over into the living area, and this is where the Nightfall proves that it's not just about hauling gear, it's about recovering from whatever you just did with that gear. You've got Roman shades that block out the world when you need a reset, and seating that actually invites you to sit down instead of politely suggesting it. Climate control isn't an afterthought either. A 15K BTU AC keeps things under control, and in fifth wheels, you're getting ducted cooling with a second AC in the bedroom. Travel trailers can upgrade to 50 amp service if you want to push things a little further. And then there's the HD series, which doesn't just cool the space, it completely dominates it. The triple 18K chill cube system is aggressive in the best way possible. Add in stain-resistant Congolium flooring, an electric fireplace, and large square windows with built-in shades, and suddenly this doesn't feel like a toy hauler, it feels like a command center. And entertainment is where things get a little ridiculous, and again, in a good way. Even the standard Nightfall isn't playing around here. It's equipped with a JBL AuraCube sound system that hits both inside and outside. You're not just playing music, you're announcing your presence. Step into the HD series and it gets upgraded to a Klipsch soundbar with a subwoofer, plus a TV already in place. Translation, folks, you didn't come here for silence. Moving up into the bathroom, the Nightfall keeps things simple but effective. Every model gives you a skylight in the shower, which sounds kind of small until you realize how much it truly opens up the space. And then there's this 60,000 BTU tankless water heater, which basically removes the concept of running out of hot water from your life. All right, now let's talk about where you actually sleep. The bedroom setup is exactly what it should be. It's simple, comfortable, and functional. You're getting a queen or king bed, depending on the model, with USB ports and outlets right where you need them, because no one wants to crawl around looking for a charger at midnight. Storage is handled with shirt closets in most models, but the HD series goes big with a massive front cap closet and even throws in washer-dryer prep, which is a dangerous level of confidence. Stay out long enough and you might forget what your house looks like. All right, this is what you've been waiting for. The garage. The standard Nightfall garage is already loaded, folks. You've got a manual drop-down bed, cargo tie-downs, and a magnetic screen wall that lets the air in without inviting every bug in the country. Add the optional 3-season door and suddenly your garage turns into usable living space instead of simply storage. But the HD series, it goes even further. The garage floor is insulated, the tie-downs are rated for 5,000 pounds, and the ramp door is even insulated. Up top, you get a power-operated Happy Jack Queen bed with a sofa dinette combo underneath. Translation, this space works just as hard as the rest of your trailer. And yes, there are dedicated entry steps into the garage because climbing over things gets old way too quickly. Now outside, the Nightfall doesn't calm down, it keeps the exact same energy. Storage is everywhere, whether it's front compartments on the travel trailers or massive pass-through storage on the fifth wheels. Up front, you've got a power tongue jack or landing gear and manual or power stabilizer jacks on standard models with hydraulic auto leveling on the HD series. There's a huge power awning with LED lighting, and honestly, this is where you'll spend most of your time. There's enough shade to stay comfortable, enough lighting to keep things going after dark. And the exterior is lit up with LEDs, giving it that low-key glow that says, yeah, we're still awake, come on over. You've got an outdoor shower, a LP Quick Connect for grilling, and a 200-watt solar panel to keep things powered. The HD Series fifth wheels come with an onboard generator, and it's an available option on standard fifth wheels and travel trailers. There's also a 40-gallon fuel tank on the fifth wheel, and it's going to be optional on a travel trailer, which again becomes non-negotiable once you start bringing all your gas-powered toys along. Now once again, folks, the HD Series stacks on even more, adding Goodyear Endurance tires, undercarriage lighting, and multiple paint options that make it look like it belongs in a completely different tax bracket. Now underneath all of this, the construction is what keeps it from falling apart when things get rough. The Nightfall uses wide-body construction, giving you extra interior space that you will actually notice. The standard models run with laminated aluminum walls, solid insulation, and a heated enclosed underbelly. The HD series tightens everything up even more with vacuum-bonded aluminum-framed walls, a high-gloss fiberglass exterior, and upgraded insulation with radiant foil layers. It's built for people who don't always pick the easy campsite, and sometimes don't pick a campsite at all. All right, it's time to be honest for a second, folks. These things are not lightweight, right? The travel trailer is going to be pushing 11,000 to 13,500 pounds fully loaded, which means you're firmly in 3/4 truck ton territory. Think F-250, Silverado 2500, Ram 2500. Honestly, anything less, you're just asking for a bad time. Step into the fifth wheels, and now you're talking 15,000 to over 20,000 pounds. That's 1-ton truck territory all day, right? F-350, Silverado 3500 HD, the kind of trucks that don't flinch when you hook something serious to the back. And if you're planning on crossing mountains with a fully loaded setup, folks, bigger is always better, period. If you're not sure what your truck can handle, check the manual or do what most people end up doing anyway and just swing by your local Camping World. Let them break it down for you while you accidentally spend an hour walking through a Nightfall. At the end of the day, the Forest River Nightfall isn't just about hauling toys, it's about building your entire trip around them and having a space that keeps up no matter how hard you push it. So whether you're chasing adrenaline, escaping the grid, or just refusing to camp like everyone else, this might be exactly what you've been looking for.